Welcome back guys, Kyo here with another video for you guys. So today is going to be another Audi vlog type of thing. Today I have planned to do a molding remove from all four doors. One is already missing and an EGR valve delete. And let's see how it goes, but first of all let's do a small overview of the car. So this is my new Audi A4. It's an 1.9 liter diesel, 81 kilowatts, and I have owned it for almost 2 months now. It's a really great overall car. I have really no concerns with it other than few rust spots. The car has really nice all fabric interior. It's not torn in any seats or anything. It has an S4 wheel. I've done a chrome gouge install on the dashboard. It looks really nice. Other than that, I have installed the Alpine head unit. It originally had an Audi Concert Plus with the Bose system. It wasn't really enough for me, so I installed the new Alpine in the rear, the subwoofer and the head unit in front. The speakers are stock in all four doors. I'm gonna show you the rear now. So this is the rear of the car. It has really no major imperfections, no scuffs or anything. I am planning to remove the rear wiper. I have also ordered the wiper kit for this car. I would like to debadge it if possible. Now I'm going to show you the trunk and show you the Alpine subwoofer which I have installed. So this is the trunk. Here I have a 12-inch Alpine subwoofer with a ground zero amplifier. All wires I have routed myself. It sounds really nice. It's a 1250 watt RMS subwoofer with 800 watts of peak power. The ground zero amplifier is 300 watts RMS rated at 4 ohms. Also the impedance of the subwoofer is 4 ohms, so it's plenty of juice for this baby. But also I have planned to a little bit modify it in the future, like to add another one of these and different kind of amplifier for the subwoofer. Other than that, the interior of the trunk is really nice. It's really clean, no major imperfections also. So this is the amplifier if anyone's interested. All the wires I have routed myself. It's nothing too complicated, but it's time consuming. Now I'm going to show you the head unit. So this is how the interior looks from the passenger side. I have the Alpine UTE72BT head unit. It's a really great head unit with Bluetooth and anything I need. So okay, let's start working on the EGR valve now. I'll be using an EGR delete kit. There are just two steel plates cut to the size for the EGR valves and two gaskets for each of them. So let's get started. I'm going to be putting this on time lapse and see how it goes. So as I just found out, the heads of the nuts have been really seized there and I was not able to untighten them. So today we're not going to be removing the EGR valve, instead we're going to try remove the moldings. I'm just gonna put all this back and try it another day. For now I'm just going to disconnect the EGR valve so it's not working. I'm gonna show you how. So this basically is the EGR valve. So by vacuum it's opened and so the bad air is introduced in the air inlet. So if I'm successful removing this vacuum line and plugging it up with a screw, I should be able to do the same job as I was intentionally doing with the EGR valve delete kit. So let's try that. I managed to find the right size of screw to put it in here. I zip tied it to this line, and now my EGR valve is completely disconnected, so that's one win for me. So now to the next problem. I have two really ugly moldings on the bottoms of my doors. I know that there may be a little bit of rust under there, but it's going to look a lot better than these ones, because these are peeling. Right here. And really, they're not really even holding on really well. So I have one removed on the right driver's side of the door, and now I'm going to remove these ones too. So at the moment I have encountered another problem. So it seems like these moldings are glued on, because if you can see where it was peeling, there's actually paint, and the paint is gone on the passenger side of the doors. And same thing for further on. You can see that spot, it's losing paint there. So we don't have any success here too, because it's also glued on. So as you saw guys, we didn't have any major success, not with the moldings, which I will be removing soon. It's just not now. We did remove the EGR valve. Well, actually we didn't remove it, we actually just disconnected it. But it's probably the same thing because it's disconnected, you know. I have few major things coming. The wiper kit in the rear of the car, it's coming. I have already ordered it, so anytime in maybe 2 weeks. I'm planning to change up the wheels of the car. These look nice, but maybe a little bit darker ones, 17-inch or anything like that. I would like to change up the front lights of the car, headlights, maybe to the black ones, so it gives a little bit of contrast to the car. At the moment it's all silver. I would like to change up the grille too, to the black RS4 honey mesh type grille. It would be really nice touch. I don't know about the bumper, it maybe is going to be repainted because it has few scuffs here and there. Other than that, the car is really great. It hasn't got any really big problems which need to be maintained. I have changed up all the timing belts, the water pump and things like that, the oil. Other than that, everything's good. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for other videos like this. Tell me in the comments if you like this kind of videos or this style, or you prefer the previous ones. So yeah, that's all for now, and see you next time. This is Cam.